Have you ever opened Facebook and suddenly realized you forgot your password? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to log in to your Facebook account without remembering your password using Facebook's official system. First, open your Facebook app and tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Then go to Settings option from this page. Now go to this Account Center option. Now scroll down and tap on Password and Security. From this page, scroll down and tap on the Passkey option. Tap on Create Passkey, then confirm by tapping Create Passkey again. If you're using a Samsung device, you may see this option. Simply tap on Save Another Way. On other devices, this page will appear directly where you can see your all Gmails. Simply select your main Gmail from this list, then tap on Create. After you tap on Create, it will ask for your device password, PIN, or fingerprint. Enter your device password to continue. Once verified, your passkey will be successfully created. Now, whenever you log in to Facebook on this device, it will ask for your device password or fingerprint instead of your Facebook password. Just verify, and you'll be logged in instantly. Remember, this works only on the device where you created the passkey. On other devices, you'll still need your password to log in. So that's how you can log into your Facebook account without using your password. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.